In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Gmail. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your email communication by drawing attention to calls to action with a nicely formatted button in your emails. Let's dive into it step by step. First things first, we're going to need an extension to help us create these buttons. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. It's the place where you can find a variety of extensions to enhance your Google Chrome experience. Once the Chrome Web Store is open, you'll see a search box prominently displayed at the top. In this search box, type in Gmail button. This search will help you locate the specific extension we'll be using today, Gmail button by CloudHQ. The search results page may present you with a list of extensions, but for our needs, we're going to click on Gmail button by CloudHQ. This extension is designed to help simplify your email compositions by allowing you to insert beautifully designed buttons right into the body of your emails. Once you've selected the correct extension, go ahead and click the Add to Chrome button. This will start the installation process for the extension. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you indeed want to add this extension. Here, click on Add Extension to proceed. This step is necessary to provide the extension with the necessary permissions to integrate and function alongside Gmail. After the installation, you'll automatically be directed to the Gmail Compose window. Here's where the magic happens. At the bottom of this Compose window, you will notice a new icon has appeared. It's the Insert Button icon provided by the extension. Click on it to open the Button Creation tool. After clicking the Insert Button icon, a new option will appear, simply labeled Button. Click on this to start creating your button. Now you'll have the opportunity to customize the button to your exact needs. Begin by editing the text displayed on the button. You might want this text to reflect a specific action like learn more, sign up, or any other action-oriented suggestion you need. Once your text is set, it's time to make your button functional by adding a URL link. This URL will direct anyone clicking the button to the intended web page, whether it's a product page, sign-up form, or informational site. Carefully input the correct URL to ensure that the button directs users precisely where you want them to go. And there you have it, a professional looking button right within your Gmail Compose window. This simple addition to your emails can make your communications not just more visually appealing, but also much more effective in guiding your recipients towards taking action. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.